Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we're going to give the Landini Legend a full engine service. Well, that's a stupid design. So the first job is to take off the side covers because we're going to need access to the engine. And now with the side cover removed, we're going to come in here and we're going to look at the sediment bowl, which is just here. And you can see, look, it's actually doing its job. So the diesel is on top and the water on the bottom, and you can see the line in between. So it's doing its job, but we're going to have to clean everything out. So what we'll be doing is, when we're doing the diesel filters on the far side, we're going to open this here as well, and we're going to drain out everything. So before we start any job, don't forget to rubber up. So the filters we're going to be using for this job is a QTP 1782 filter. So they're the two fuel filters. This is the oil filter, I just have it out of the box, and it's a Perkins filter. That's the serial code on it. There you go again. So that's the oil filter, that's the fuel filter. And the air filter, well, I guess we'll be blowing that out with an airline. The hydraulic filters are just here, there for the back end. They were only replaced just recently, so I'm not going to replace them again. But maybe we can find a part number on them. Okay, so we're going to drain out the oil. So here's the bungs. There's actually two on this tractor. So there's a little wall here in the center. And just when you're going up and down hills, it just stops all the engine oil from going all the way back. It's like a little baffle just here in the center. So what we'll do is we'll open up this bung here. All the oil will actually come over the baffle and actually drain out through it, and then the remaining oil will come out to the second bung. To open up the two bungs, the spanner we're going to use is a number 16. Okay, let's open it up. So while the oil is draining out into the bucket, we'll tackle the fuel system. Alright guys, so we're going to use our number 11 spanner. We're going to do the two nuts just up here. There's one here and there's one further in, and that will allow us access to remove both of these filters. Okay, now with both fuel filters removed, time to remove the oil filter. So I've already loosened it. Let me just wind it off. Shit. Now, after just lubing up all of the seal, we can now install the filter back into the filter housing. It just screws on. And hand tighten it. Perfect. Now we have our two bungs back installed, we can just tighten them up. Okay, I've just after filling it now with 15 litres of 15W40. So let's check the dipstick. And it's right up to the mark. Perfect. Okay, next we're going to remove the sediment trap. To remove that, there's a nut here at the top. That's a number 11. Whew! So we're flying through the work. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe over there. Right, let's get back to it. But don't forget to subscribe. Please do subscribe. Okay, now with the sediment trap removed, that was actually a mistake by me. That's actually a piece of the glass there at the bottom, not actually sediment. But this bit here is actually sediment. So you can see it just all there. So we're going to give that all a big clean and hopefully have it looking like new. Okay, now on to doing the fuel filter. So that's the fuel filter ready to go on. We have the two O-rings we've just taken out of the tractor. So we have the blue one, which has a blue tip just there, that came out the top, and then this one here, which is white, and that came out the bottom. So just taking out that nut that hold on the fuel filter, the little O-ring just there, and we'll be replacing that with the small little O-ring. And just in there, you can see that at the very top there's a medium size O-ring, and that'll be the medium size one out of the new packet. So after a bit of swearing, we finally have the two filters back in. Not easy, because this bracket here and these pipes here are all in the way, so you have to kind of disassemble it out here, push it all the way in, reassemble it, and hope to get it in. Very bad design, very stupid design, because these O-rings here at the bottom, just when they're packaged and when they arrive, they just are no longer in a perfect circle. They want to be in a different shape, and they're very difficult to get in and make a seal. It'd be far easier and far better design if they had gone to what JCB have, is just a single cartridge. You just push it in, twist it. Obviously having a double cartridge would be far better, but I think that's what they should have done. is just have 2 single cartridges, and when you go to replace them, just put them in, up, twist, and you're done. Bit like these cartridges down here, just have 2 cartridges just together, and you just twist them in and you're done. None of this stupid filter design. We have the water trap on the far side, so we don't really need this bit here. But anyway, that's just the way it is, so I don't know how to modify it, so we're just going to soldier on with the way it is now. And because it is 2 stupid designs for a filter, and even the pre-filter is a stupid design, because this bit here is all open, so you can't even pre-fill it with diesel, but you have to just pump every single piece of it, because there's a hole at the bottom, and if you pre-fill it with diesel, it'll just leak back out. So it's a stupid design everywhere. So we will pump it away. We're going to fill this all the way up, and then we're going to hopefully be able to fill the 2 filters there at the far side. So we're going to pump. Yeah, really not happy with the design. Okay, because this makes a good video, and also because my hand has gone numb from pumping the damn thing so much. This filter in here, you can see the glass bowl, it's actually full of diesel. This one here is still empty. So when it comes full, you'll see the diesel coming out here at the top through the bleed nipple. So we will stay pumping. Still don't like this design. It is a stupid design, and it should not have been done on such a new tractor. They should have just gone to a cartridge filter. Okay, so just after bleeding up the system, so both filters, they're full, and then there's 2 nuts here at the top, these 2 big ones here, and you open up them and you pump on the far side and bleed out all the air. So it's a stupid design because it's not a 14 and it's not a 15mm spanner. It's kind of in between the 2 of them, so it's some imperial measurement. So it's a metric tractor with 2 imperial nuts at the top. Really stupid design. So the 14 just barely fits onto it, and the 15 is too loose. So now the last job is to blow out the air filter. So we've undone the nut, pull this out, and we're going to give it a blowout. Okay, now time to blow out the air filter. Okay, now that we've blown out the air filter, it's all lovely and clean, we'll shove that back in and tighten up the nut. Okay, so that's now the tractor all back together again. We have all the filters done, the fuel filter, oil filter and air filter, new oil in the engine, so it's all bled up, so fingers crossed it starts. Hey, it started! So that's now the tractor all serviced and working again. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe over there, comment down below. As always guys, thanks for watching. See you later. So when I check out some of the other farm related videos, just up here and just up here, well go on, press something.